Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on placing decimals in order, part 1. In earlier videos, we looked at the concept of ordering. We now apply this idea to decimals. Example 1. Place the following decimals in descending order, that is, from highest to lowest. And we have 6.1, 6.01, 6.11 and 6. Now I want you to notice here we're going to do decimal places there, which means we're going to put the decimal part of the number over 100. So each of these are going to go over 100, and that'll give us some consistency. We'll have the same denominators, we'll have common denominators, and it's easy to make a comparison. Let's see how it works. We have 6.1, which is 6 plus 1 over 10. Now, that gives us 6 plus 10 over 100, because 1 over 10 and 10 over 100, they're equivalent fractions. So I'm going to have all the denominators over 100, so we can have a very easy comparison. 6.01 is 6 plus 0 over 10, because that's a 0, plus 1 over 100. So altogether that's 6 plus 1 over 100, because that part's 0. So it's 6 plus 1 over 100. See, we have the 100 as the denominator. The next one is 6.11, which is 6 plus 1 on 10 plus 1 on 100, which is 6 plus 10 on 100, because 1 on 10 is 10 on 100. And that 1 on 100 is there. 10 on 100 plus 1 on 100 is 11 on 100. So that's 6 plus 11 on 100. And 6 is just 6 plus 0 on 100. Now, let's have a look. We're going from highest to lowest. So I've put number 1 there to show you that 6 plus 11 on 100 is the largest or the highest, which gives us 6.11. So that's the highest. The second one is 6 plus 10 over 100, which is 6.1. And there it is there. The third one is 6 plus 1 on 100, which is 6.01. And the last one, which is the fourth one, is 6 plus 0 on 100, which is 6. So here we go. They are in order. See that? From highest to lowest. Example 2, place the following decimals in ascending order. That is from lowest to highest. So we're doing the same trick. 9.7 is 9 plus 7 on 10, which is 9 plus 70 on 100. 9.77 is 9 plus 7 over 10 plus 7 over 100, which is 9 plus 70 over 100 plus 7 over 100, which is 9 plus 77 over 100. The next one is 9.07, which is 9 plus 0 over 10 plus 7 over 100, which is 9 plus 7 over 100. And the last one is 9 equals 9 plus 0 on 100. Now the lowest is this one, which is 9, because it's 9 plus 0 on 100. The next lowest is this one, because it's 9 plus 7 on 100. So 9.07 is the next. The third one, going from lowest to highest, is 9 plus 70 over 100, which is 9.7, and there it is there. And the largest number, which is the fourth one, is 9 plus 77 on 100, which is 9.77. So they are going from lowest to highest. Example 3. 6 students competed in the 50 metres freestyle race, and their times in seconds were as follows. Bill was 34.3, Tim was 34.03, Jim was 34.33, John was 34.333, Bob was 34.303, and Ted was 34.033. So we're going to write the times in order from fastest to slowest. So don't get confused. It's from fastest to slowest, which means the first one will be the shortest time. It'll be the smallest number, because that'll be the fastest. Okay, let's have a look. The first one is 34.3, which is 34 plus 3 over 10, which is 34 plus 300 over 1,000. Now we're going over 1,000 because see here we've got the 3 decimal places for those ones there. So each of the fractions is going over 1,000. The next one, which is Tim, is 34.03, which is 34 plus 30 over 1,000. So that's the next one. Jim, which is 34.33, is 34 plus 330 over 1,000. John, which is 34.333, is 34 plus 333 over 1,000. Bob, 34.303, which is 34 plus 303 over 1,000. And Ted, 34.033, which is 34 plus 33 on 1,000. Now, the smallest number means the fastest time. So number 1 here, which is Tim, was 34.03. He's the fastest swimmer. The second one was Ted. Now Ted was 34.033. So Ted he came second in the race. The third one is 34.3, which is Bill. See, there's Bill there. 34.3. So he is the third fastest. The next one is 34.303, which is the fourth place getter, which is Bob. The fifth place getter is Jim. There's Jim there, which is 34.33. And the slowest, the one who came sixth in the race, was John, who was, if we look back here, 34.333. And there we are. They are the times from the fastest going to the slowest.